What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Game Changer. Today we're going to be showing you how to connect your PayPal to your Crypto.com account, how to transfer money from your PayPal to your Crypto.com, because it just recently PayPal and Crypto.com have came together. Now it's an option instead of your debit card. Now there's another option using PayPal. So what you want to do is log into your Crypto.com account. As you can see on mine, I'm logging in right now as we speak. And if you don't have an account, make sure you click the link in my bio down below to create an account so you too can start investing, making money real soon with Crypto.com. I love it. I haven't even used the bank account in so long. I only use bank accounts to direct deposit, but everything pretty much comes into my Crypto.com account. So I love it. I have no complaints so far. Maybe the card taking forever to get to you, but a lot has been ordered. UPS, delivery companies during this pandemic. It's a whole lot going on. But once you do get your card, it's amazing. So make sure you click the link down below. Click my link, sign up. If you want to, you can upgrade your card. There's more perks and benefits with it. That's for a whole nother video. Make sure you stay tuned for that video coming up after this, or check the description box below. So as you can see, we're on the home page right now. What you want to do is click on the middle button, the home screen button. Click that blue Crypto.com emblem. Click on that. Then what you want to go to is the spend category. Go to that spend category. You'll see card and you'll see pay. What you want to do is click on card. Click on card. And then what you want to do is click on top up. Here, I'll show you. It's $3.91 in there right now. As you can see, I'm broke. You know what I'm saying? I'm broke. Just paid some bills. Ain't nothing in there. But everything else is in my crypto accounts. But that's a story for another day. We got $3.91 in there. So what we want to do is click on top up. Then go to credit. As you can see, I got my original card there. Saved cards. I'm going to block the numbers out so you can't see that, because people out here are weird. Y'all like to do weird stuff. So I'm going to block that out. But as you can see under that, it says connect with PayPal. So what you want to do is click on that. And it's going to say Crypto.com wants to use PayPal.com to sign in. That's cool. So what you want to do is, if you haven't already created an account, create a PayPal account. If you already got one, log in. Use your username, your login, all that fun stuff. So what I'm about to do right now is log in. Now that we're logged in, I got my PayPal account right there. Update your way to pay on Crypto.com. I like to always use my balance first. Whatever I got in PayPal is up to you. You can click that on or off, and then you would charge the rest to your debit card or your bank account, whichever one you choose to. Me, I guess bank account works for me, so save and continue. We have our PayPal account connected. We are ready to transfer money from our PayPal account to our Crypto.com account to start spending with our card. This is strictly to start spending with your card. You know what I'm saying? This is your Crypto.com card. This is for you to fund it, top it off, whatever you want to call it. Top it off, fund it. It's there. PayPal account is not an option. PayPal account, your PayPal account is now an option. So what you want to do, click on your PayPal account. Type in whatever amount you want to add. I'm about to add in $52 because I'm about to make a purchase of a jersey, a soccer jersey. I'm about to get real soon, Atlanta United. You know what I'm saying? If you like soccer jerseys, or if you like sports apparel in general, click my link down below for Fanatics. I'm going to get me a jersey real soon. So I'm going to top it off. Boom. Top off $52. And then there is a fee, 2.1%. So we're going to top it off $50 instead. I forgot about the fee. There is a 2% fee. 5105. It's going to say confirm top up card, country United States, amount $50. Fee is $1 fee. Method PayPal, total amount 5105. Let's hit confirm. Put your password in. It's gonna do the little loading stuff, all the little fun stuff. And now it says top up complete. You'll get the notification you have topped up $50 USD to your card. Now we click that, we go back, and it should be updated. $53.91 before we had $3.91 in there. Now we're good. $53.91, and you can see it. One thing I like about Crypto.com, it shows you all your transactions right there. Like, you can literally see me spending everything on fast food, but like, it's a long list of transactions. You can see the deposit at $6 on Wendy's. I brought Wendy's earlier yesterday. Got my Crypto.com rewards. Gotta love the rewards. I'm spending and I'm getting rewarded for spending on stuff I was normally gonna do. And today we put the USD deposit in there, $50. And that is how you connect your PayPal account to fund and top off your Crypto.com card. This is the strictly fund your Crypto.com card. Hopefully soon we can use it to, you're pretty sure you can. I'll double back on that. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, put your comment down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video to any other people who's confused on how to do this. Let them know, share this video. Stay tuned for the rest of the playlist. I'm here to help you guys make some money. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get up there. One day we're starting off with $50 deposit. Soon we're gonna be $10,000 deposit. So you're gonna see the growth and continuation throughout these videos. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe. This is the early. You hear early. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna make money together. With that being said, though, I'm about to get off, make some more videos for y'all. If you want to see anything else regarding side hustles, cryptos, whatever it is, you name it, put it down below. I'll do some research and I'll figure it out for you. Comment it down below. And with that being said, we going.
People claim that they gon' keep it real, but they just say that. Remember way back, you said that money wouldn't change ya. Watch the shade come as I'm stacking up this paper. Be sure